On average, we have over 15 million visitors coming to the Canary Islands each year. 60, 70, 80% of these people are speaking English, and what we want to do is talk to them and show them how to behave more responsibly when they come and visit us.
Sustainable tourism, it's conscious traveling. It's more than just coming to a destination and be on holiday. It's really about what choices we make when we are at that destination. Where do we actually put our money? What products are we buying? What excursions are we investing in? What do we discover about the local community? It's really a way of traveling.
There are so many beautiful success stories here on the islands, yet there is almost no one talking about them to the visitors coming here. We want to share those stories with the world, expose visitors coming to the islands to these opportunities to be more responsible, to be more sustainable, and become the voice for a positive change.